Hey everyone, it's your name. Today I'll show you how to clear your Safari history on your iPhone or iPad. This quick tutorial will help you free up space, protect your privacy, and keep your device running smoothly. Let's dive in. It's a super simple process, so let's dive right in. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can get this done, and it's a good habit to get into regularly. Plus, it can help your device run more smoothly by clearing out old data that might be slowing things down. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and open up the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls you need to manage your device's settings, including your Safari browser. Scroll down until you see Safari and tap on it. The Safari settings menu is where you can customize your browsing experience, from blocking pop-ups to managing your privacy settings. This will take you to the Safari settings. Here you'll find a variety of options that allow you to control how Safari behaves and stores data. Now scroll down again and look for the option that says Clear History and Website Data. This is the key option that will help you remove all the browsing history and data that Safari has stored. Go ahead and tap on that. This action will prompt Safari to clear all the history and website data it has accumulated over time. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear your history and data. This is just a confirmation step to make sure you really want to delete this information. Tap Clear History and Data, and just like that, your Safari history is gone. This will remove all the records of the websites you've visited as well as any cookies and other browsing data. But wait, what if you can't clear your history? Sometimes you might run into issues that prevent you from clearing your Safari history, and it can be frustrating if you're not sure why. There are a couple of reasons this might happen. Understanding these reasons can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue more effectively. One common issue is that you may have restrictions enabled. These restrictions can prevent certain actions on your device, including clearing your browsing history. To check this, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Screen Time. Screen Time is a feature that allows you to monitor and control how you use your device, including setting limits on certain activities. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section allows you to set various restrictions on your device, including what content can be accessed and what actions can be performed. If these restrictions are enabled, you'll need to enter your screen time passcode to disable them. This passcode is set by you or the person who manages your device's settings. Once that's done, you should be able to clear your history. Disabling these restrictions will give you full control over your device's settings again. Another reason might be that your device is managed by your school or workplace. Managed devices often have certain restrictions in place to ensure compliance with organizational policies. In this case, certain restrictions may be in place that prevent you from clearing your history. These restrictions are usually set by your IT department to maintain security and productivity. You'll need to contact your IT department for assistance. They can provide you with the necessary permissions or guide you through the process of clearing your history. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and that you're now able to clear your Safari history with ease. Clearing your Safari history is a quick and easy way to keep your browsing data private and your device running smoothly. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your overall browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to make your tech life easier.